Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Sakura Science High School program, online university visit at the University of Tokyo. My name is Kunihiro OHTA, and I am the professor of molecular biology and synthetic biology, and as well as the dean of College of Arts and Sciences. And despite the difficulty of the COVID-19 pandemic, I am delighted to see you all and to have this opportunity to introduce our university and program. The University of Tokyo was established in 1877. Its roots were in the Kaiseido, or Institute for Western Studies, and that was established by the Tokugawa shogunate. Over the course of several reorganizations, it grew into Japan's leading university, with 10 undergraduate faculties and 15 graduate schools. Our graduates include 11 Nobel laureates, as well as many scholars, engineers, business people, politicians, and employees of government and international organizations throughout the world. The University of Tokyo, hereafter I call it U-Tokyo, aim to be a world-class platform for research and education, and nurture global leaders with a strong sense of public responsibility and a pioneering spirit. One of the main features of the education at U-Tokyo is our emphasis on the liberal arts. All undergraduate students at U-Tokyo studied liberal arts for their first 2 years in the junior division of the College of Arts and Sciences, then advanced to 2 years of specialized studies. I assume that most of you may have various international experiences, and from your own backgrounds, this island nation of Japan, with its unique history, might seem a bit strange. But Japan has much to offer. In the area of environmental protection, for example, as long ago as the Edo period, people in Japan had developed a way to create a forest ecosystem called Satoyama, with which they could coexist. Our country has a long history of incorporating elements of other countries' culture. Food regarded now as typically Japanese has foreign influences. One example is tempura, which has its roots in Portuguese butterflying. With the recent spread of COVID-19, all classes at the University of Tokyo were held online last semester, and many will continue to be so in the coming semester of this academic year. It is unfortunate that students lost the opportunity to have face-to-face classes and experiences on campus. But what matters is how we think about and act during this difficult time. Now we are preparing online, hybrid, and in-person classes for the next academic year. The spread of infectious diseases has occurred many times in human history. We must not forget that our present society was created by overcoming them. I think the key to avoiding them, that kind of dead end, is the liberal arts, in addition to antiviral vaccines and a wonder drug, also called scholarship for human liberation. A liberal arts education enables you to integrate many areas of knowledge and acquire the principles of human thought. You just become able to think freely and autonomously to cope with the difficulties and problems such as COVID-19 pandemic. Also, with the increasing instability and uncertainty of modern society, I firmly believe that those who have acquired a liberal arts education will play vital roles. One reason I make this suggestion is that the peak and GPEAK were established in 2012, as the first program at the University of Tokyo, in which students can graduate by studying only in English. Our goal for these programs is to bring in students from throughout the world and enable more U-Tokyo students and graduates to contribute more live on the international stage. This year, the peak students received the Grand President's Award, which is given to the best students among all undergraduates and graduate students in U-Tokyo. While she was a peak undergraduate, she invented a new genome editing technology, so-called dual function base editing, to introduce double mutations at any genomic position of interest using engineered CRISPR-Cas9. She was the first author on the paper reporting this breakthrough, which was published in Nature Biotechnology. She moved to the graduate school of the University of British Columbia in Canada and gave a seminar on this technology at the Harvard Genome Engineering Seminar. It's a very prestigious seminar last January. I would like to mention that many peak graduate students and graduates are now very actively studying in many prestigious graduate schools all over the world. I hope you will enjoy today's events and some example of research based on the liberal arts education by two professors and peak students. Thank you, and please enjoy.
Thank you very much.